I got a package today coming from ChallengerOP Systems, and it feels like it's a pad. Could be wrong. I pre-cut the bottom. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, it's white, so it's definitely a pad. Definitely got signature 50/50 blend that they reproduce. So I've had a couple pads once before, different sizes for my Ulrich. I love it. It does an outstanding job. I tried it on my Trinity Odyssey, and it just tears up all the pads from the edges. So thank you, Tim, for sending this out to me as a sample. I really appreciate that. These are the new pad, it looks like. So I'm assuming they all come with this new edge stitching. Feels a lot more high quality than the ones I have. So we're gonna give it a go. We're gonna give it a test. Next video after this upload is gonna be a test run of this pad. These, although they did rip, the past ones, only on the Trinities because the orbit is it's a very big orbit. So it's a little bit more aggressive than a Challenger. So I'm gonna try these out. I did note it to Tim, and you know, I like 50/50 pads. So you get best of both worlds. You get 50/50 cotton and polyester, like it says here. I really like the labeling. It's very unique. So check out Challenger, and if you want a 50/50 blend, try them. Give them a shot. If you have an Ulrich and you do hot water extraction and you want to get into VLM, I strongly suggest using these pads. They always bring the carpet back up to life. I've done rat nasty jobs where the carpet is completely black and trashed, and I would think there's no way in hell this VLM method's going to work on these carpets. And what do you know? On an Ulrich, Challenger pads resurrects the carpet. So they also have a pad driver for the Ulrich. In case you guys are wondering, I see that question get tossed around a lot on Facebook. What accessories should I buy from anywhere, or where can I get this and that? Go with the Challenger Ulrich pad driver. It's very unique. It definitely boosts performance. It's wood. The Velcro's premium, and the pads look now final form. It looks like they finally got something a little bit more durable than they had on the edges. So I'm very excited to use this pad. Contact Tim over at Challenger and get your stuff from them. They got this new cleaner called Rug Restore. A lot of people have been saying that it's a really good option to clean all carpets. It could be wrong though on wool. I can't remember if it has a neutral pH. I think it does. I could be wrong. Check it out. Give Challenger a call if you have any questions. Again, I'm going to be testing these out for my Trinity because, again, I ordered a pack in Challenger and they all got torn up first run. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.